Today we are looking at a great pre-owned unit, and it is going to be the 2019 Avenger, and this floor plan is the 31DBS. This is a single slide out unit. It's got a double bathroom and lots of other features to show off here. First things I want to mention here, on the outside you'll notice you have a powered tongue jack with a light on the front. You also have two covered 20-pound propane tanks, and you also have powered stabilizers around the entire unit. You've got a switch on it in the front, and you've got a switch in the rear. Starting with outdoor storage, you do have a nice pass-through storage compartment. You do have access to this storage compartment on the other side of the trailer, as well as from underneath the bed in the master bedroom, which I can show off once we get inside. Walking around to the front here, we will see the other side of that pass-through storage area. You've got a nice powered awning on the outside here. Everything is powered on the outside between the awning, the tongue jack, and the stabilizers. And you've got some nice LED lights in there too. Walking to the rear, one notable thing about this unit is this great outdoor kitchen. You've got a nice little R-Vision here. Plenty of room to store drinks or whatever you're cooking with on this outside two-burner stovetop, as well as a nice little plumbed sink there as well. It's not just a tub, it is a fully plumbed sink. Walking around to the rear here, you will see that there is an option if you need to for setting up a backup camera. We don't have one installed on this unit, but that is the entire outside of the trailer, as well as access to that powered stabilizer button there as well. Taking a step on to the inside of the unit here, we're going to start off into the kind of entertainment area, but you do have access right from the steps into the master bedroom too, which is really convenient if you're storing anything in there. It's easy to get from the door, same as if you just want to get inside, obviously right here. Now stepping inside here, first you'll notice you have this beautiful U-shaped dinette. You get a lot of extra room with these U-shaped dinettes because you can obviously fit people on that inside corner compared to just the convenient left side, right side. That's going to drop down, it's going to convert to extra sleeping, so you can fit another body or two here if you need to. Walking over to this side, you've got a nice leather sofa here. This is a 2019 unit, so there are some small rips or tears, but nothing that isn't worth the price of it, as well as to make it your own. This is going to be able to fold out. That's going to be another spot where you can sleep another set of bodies. Looking at the rear here, this is your first washroom, kind of the more public washroom you're going to have in the rear. You've got a nice shower here with built-in storage, built-in shelves. You've got a toilet as well as a sink and medicine cabinet for some extra storage. If you didn't have enough room to sleep people already, you've got bunks set up in the rear of this trailer. You've got a nice bunk on top here with a total capacity of 250 pounds. As well as another bunk underneath. Each one has its own window, so plenty of light, but obviously you have the blinds to block it out too if you need. You've got a nice large area here where you can have a TV mounted, as well as just gives you ample room for storage. You could set this up to have a wardrobe style so you're not living out of a suitcase. You've got more storage underneath here and just ample room. It's deep, unobstructed, boxy. You can fit anything you need in there without having to work around plumbing, pipes, or awkward angles. Looking at the kitchen here, you've got a nice gas electric fridge freezer combo. Same story as everything else in this unit. You've got a decent amount of space to store everything you need to. And for cooking amenities, you have a stainless steel traditional microwave, as well as a 3-burner stovetop, beautiful backlighting, and an oven. You've got a nice deep sink here with a high-rise faucet with a beautiful hose attachment. It's a great combo to have. Nice deep sink, high-rise faucet with the hose attachment. Now walking over to the master bedroom here, as I said, it is accessible right from the door, which is convenient. Now you got a couple of options in here. The previous owners have decided, like many RV owners, to upgrade the mattress. They've got a nice, thick, comfy mattress on here. Gives them a little bit more room to sleep. However, it does slightly cover the side tables you're going to have on either side. So you can definitely opt in for a larger mattress, or you can get a smaller mattress if you'd like and have access to these side tables on either side, as well as the 110-volt receptacles. You will have storage underneath this bed. That's going to fold up and access to your pass-through storage area underneath, as well as ample storage on either side. As I mentioned, there's wardrobe storage, so you're not living out of a suitcase, as well as just above head storage. You will see throughout this unit, you also do have ducted air, which is fantastic. And this is going to be the second washroom you get in this unit, in this trailer. It's fantastic. You've got a toilet here, easily accessible from your bedroom. You don't have to walk through the entire trailer to the back, as well as a nice medicine cabinet and a sink as well. You don't have a shower, but in the middle of the night, if you just want to come to the washroom, freshen up, you can easily do that without waking up everyone else. This is where you'd mount another TV if you would like, and you have access obviously to your cable and 110-volt receptacle. For a 2019 trailer, it's got lots of nice features like powered stabilizers, large entertainment area, and lots of convertible sleeping. If you want to make this trailer yours, I highly recommend coming on down to Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.